All right, guys. So, welcome to today's lesson. So, if you're in my third or fourth block, today's Thursday. If you are in my seventh or eighth, today is Friday. I am actually gone with soccer for both of these days. So, today's lesson will be asynchronous. We are going to focus on nonfiction. There's a short text that you guys will need to read. That's called "How the Internet Came to Be," and then you'll have 10 multiple choice questions to answer. I'm going to go ahead and go through this. I'll make sure that this video is short, about 5 minutes approximately. So we're going to focus on nonfiction, like I said today, and then next week when we meet again, we'll focus on revising. Don't forget that the reading portion of your EOC is worth 50%. So today we are going to focus on this nonfiction piece, which is again a very important section on the test that you guys will end up taking in April, right? Which is the EOC test. For today, what you guys will need to do, and I'll show you how to access everything, is read this article. You can click over here to access it, or even if you just go to Schoology, I'll show you how to do that in a second, and then you'll have those multiple choice answers or questions, sorry, to answer. Once you go to lesson 4, the first thing to do during the first 10 minutes is to take attendance. So all you'll need to do for this one is just click on attendance, and then I'm always going to put a question right now. It's just random questions over here. But what is your favorite dish? And you just type it out over there, and then that automatically marks you present for class. Then, if you'd like to access the slide that I just showed you, this one right here, all you need to do is click on lesson 4. I'm going to show you again over here just to make sure that you guys know how to access it. And same thing, it will just open up the PowerPoint that I just went through. Okay, I'm going to go and close it. I'm going to go back to lesson 4. If you'd like to access the actual text by downloading it, it's a PDF. You can obviously click on it over here. And then finally, and I'll actually show you as well how to do it just to make sure that you guys are aware how to do it. You can download it by clicking over here, or you can just scroll and read it over here. As you can see, it's not too long. Okay, moving on. Actually, you keep scrolling. There we go. You get to see some questions, but you'll only be answering a number of those questions. Then the final thing is to actually take the quiz. Let's call it a quiz or answer the questions right that we have over here. So once you click on it, you have 10 questions. The first ones are simple. I wanted to give you 10 questions for the simple reason that I wanted it to be as straightforward as possible. So these questions you're going to see over here, how long is this nonfiction piece? These are obviously extremely easy, right? In what year was the article written? What is the name of the author? So these 3 questions right here, they're automatic points pretty much, right? 30 points. So then you're left with these 7 questions that are actually going to test your reading comprehension. Okay, so then obviously as you're going through them, make sure that you're reading them well. And each question is worth 10 points. And as soon as you guys are done taking this, all you will need to do, or it will actually give you, I apologize, it will actually give you the answers automatically, and you'll know what your score is, and it will be uploaded automatically to home access. Then once April comes around, I'll go back and make sure that individually, right, as we're getting closer to that test, that you guys have done well on each of these sections to make sure that you guys are ready for that test. Okay, as always, especially on those days when I'm not there, when I'm not in class, if you have any questions, please shoot me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. This week I'm out with soccer on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So I know that by Saturday afternoon, late afternoon, I'll be back home and I'll be able to go through all my emails and respond to any of them. Okay, you'll have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you guys next week.